Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal password. First thing I want you to do is log into your PayPal account, and once you're logged in, here at the top right you'll actually see this gear cog. I want you to just go ahead and click on this gear cog. This will take you to your account settings. Okay, so here we are in the account section. I want you to just come here to security, click here on security, and you will be redirected to this tab. And then here you'll see password. So you can go ahead and create or update your password. So just tap here on update, and then this pop-up will open up. All you have to do here is just go ahead and enter your current password that you had been using, and then you just enter your new password right here. Okay, and then reuse your same password that you are going to be using, the same new password, and then just go ahead and click here on change password. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.